Hello and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have another video in our So Easy collection. This is a quick and easy project making our essential baskets using AGF Studio's new collection, All Is Well. Walk through the paths of an endearing meadow where you'll find the perfect patch of ditsy wildflowers, delicate rosebuds, and rich green foliage where you can lay a cozy blanket down to enjoy a romantic picnic. Using these prints to make these essential baskets is the perfect way to showcase these beautiful botanicals. Use these baskets to keep your desk tidy, store sewing notions, or make a few up as pretty and practical gifts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AGF channel for more crafty sewing content. For this project, we'll be using Fields of May and Sashiko Mending Tan. Here's what you'll need to get started on the small basket. 1 4.5-inch square of Fields of May. 1 4.5-inch square of Sashiko Mending Tan. 1 16.5-inch by 4.5-inch strip of Fields of May. 1 16.5 by 4.5 strip of Sashiko Mending Tan. 1 4.5-inch square of medium weight interfacing. 1 4.5-inch square of batting. 1 16.5 by 4.5-inch strip of medium weight interfacing, 1 16.5 by 4.5 strip of batting, ruler and pins. Scissors, a rotary cutter. Now on to the basket. First, take your long strip of Fields of May and lay on top of the batting, wrong sides together. Quilt as desired. I'm using a wavy freehand design on my baskets in a pale pink thread. Next, grab your 4.5-inch square of Fields of May and place it on top of the small square of batting, wrong sides together. Quilt as desired. Fold in half, right sides together, sewing the short edges together. Pin the quilted strip around the square. I like to quarter my pieces first with pins and then attach. Now sew all the way around the perimeter. We're using 1/4 inch seam allowances throughout. On to the lining. Take the long strip of Sashiko Mending Tan and align the interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric and press to secure. Take the strip and fold it in half, right sides together, and sew the short ends at 1/4 inch. Next, interface the 4.5-inch square of Sashiko Mending Tan in the same way we did the strip. Pin the strip all the way around the square and sew in place, making sure to leave an opening for turning later. Now it's time to put it all together and assemble our basket. Now insert the lining into the exterior basket, right sides together, aligning your seams. Secure in place and sew all the way around the top edge. Use the gap we left in our lining opening to turn right side out. Hand stitch that closed and then top stitch the upper edge of the basket. Repeat these steps to make the larger basket using the dimensions given in the pattern. And you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing!